So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can pass strong integrity on Android 12 or lower. First, let me show you my current integrity status. As you can see, I am passing all 3 integrity checks. Now, to pass all the integrity checks easily, it's recommended to use the stock ROM for your phone. Let me quickly show you my phone specifications. As you can see, I am using the official stock Android 12 MIUI ROM. Okay, now let's follow these steps carefully to pass all the integrity checks. First, you need to flash the Play Integrity Fork module and then reboot your phone. Once done, visit this open source alternative for the Tricky Store called Tricky Store OSS. Download the module from the release page and flash it using your SuperUser app. Next, open any file explorer that supports root access. For this tutorial, I am using Mix File Explorer. Next, navigate to the ADB folder under root/data. Under the ADB folder, you will see a folder called Tricky Store. Inside this folder, you will find a file called keybox.xml. Open this file using a code editor, copy and paste any valid keybox code, and save it. And that's it. Now let's check if all 3 integrity checks are passing. If this works for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.